Okay, let's go to the Jollibee. Jollibee is famous Filipino fast food chains. Also, so many people really like it. This is why I really want to try that. I wanna show off my friends, so before I enter the Jollibee, I took a picture a lot. This is my first time Jollibee, so I was pretty much excited. Can you guys see my excited face? Finally, I'm alive. Anyway, could you guys tell me what is your favorite in Jollibee? Please let me know in the comments. Next time, I wanna try other food. Okay, as you can see, so many people in the there. Also, I said hello to Filipino staff. I really enjoy about that. Let's order together.
Oh my god! Yum Yum burger, and this is mango pie, and then this is like kind of the Jollibee traditional spaghetti, and then this is famous chicken. So yeah, today we're gonna eat today. I'm not sure, but I think many people really like this sauce. This sauce is grape sauce. Do you know guys this? Shake it, mix, little bit mix, but it looks like instant or like spaghetti. When I go to the convenience store in the Korea, I saw this kind of thing. So good, really good, because really sweet. Actually, I heard that Jollibee spaghetti is really sweeter than other chains, but for me, I really like to eat sweet spaghetti. So yeah, this is my thing. Okay, I try it. Not really chewy. Actually, it's very smooth. But sauce is really good. Right? After that, we eat this chicken. Okay? I will show you. But chicken is looks like really normal things. It's kind of the glossy. You know what? Okay, we're gonna try this. Okay, oh my god. Like this. It's good. It's actually not glossy. It looks like very KFC, but not glossy and not spicy. Sauces, come out! Oh my god, I love it! I love it! Okay, I'll try it. Sauce, dip in the sauce, and then try it. Maybe this combo is better. Not to eat Jollibee original. You have to dip in the sauce. We're gonna try Yum Yum burger, okay? Yum Yum burger. Oh my god, but it looks like just burger. Okay, just inside. Eh? Oh my god, it's too simple. It's just sauce and beef. Maybe I have to sauce part. Okay, I will try it. Oh my god, cool. Really simple, but I really like it because I don't like thick chickens like this because it looks like really thick. Next one is hi. I'll try this. Oh, little bit more. I'll try to love it. I love mango, so maybe I really like it. Okay, I will try it. Oh my god, really sweet. But as you can see, outside it's really crispy. So wow, it's amazing. Now this review is finished, and I really like it. All of things is really good. I really subscribe over there. Check it out. Bye bye.